इस फिल्म का बजट जैसे ये छोटी फिल्म है या मीडियम बजट फिल्म है, कंट्रोल बजट में बनी है, कितने दिन की शूटिंग हुई, ये आपसे जवाब चाहूंगा। पहले बजट की बात करते हैं।
दिन का भी मैं ही बताता हूँ।
अच्छा।
This is definitely, I think, I would say it's a medium budget film. But at the same time, for a 3D film, it's a small budget film. Because I don't think format like 3D, and especially the kind of equipment we use and everything, we could have done this film. I can really very safely say nobody has done a film like this in this budget.
तो ये 3D कन्वर्जन नहीं है, ये 3D में शूट हुई है।
It's 3D में पूरी शूट हुई है।
5% shot completely 3D.
एंड बैलेंस 5% क्यों नहीं?
Balance 5% is shots that we couldn't achieve in 3D. We got it converted.
अच्छा।
Those things, because it's a massive rig and
It's about 50 kilos, so you can't really move the camera too much. So shots that we
5%
could.
कन्वर्जन करवाया।
Yeah, it was. I mean, all 3D films in the world have about 5 to 10% which is converted.
ओके, एंड 3D में ही क्यों? ये तमिल फिल्म भी 3D थी?
नहीं।
तो ये 3D का डिसीजन कैसे लिया, क्यों लिया?
See, I wanted to take the experience of the film to the next level. And I think first week into Bijoy asking me, do you want to make the film? And I said yes. I had asked him, can we make it in 3D?
अच्छा।
But back then it was not viable. And somehow things fell into place and we got the chance of using this particular 3D equipment just 2 weeks before we're going to start shoot. So so 3D was a conscious choice. It definitely was a conscious choice. We wanted to take that whole scary experience and the whole we wanted to break that convention of scary films with making this a very atmospheric film. We wanted to make the whole experience more futile and get all the characters and all the emotions out.
I keep feeling that 3D as a format suits horror the best. We as an experience when you watch a film and which is meant to scare you, which is meant to bring you out of your seat. I think 3D as a format really complements that. But having said that, if someone had to give me the option of doing my first film, and that too in a format which I'm not familiar with, I don't think I would have done that. So when he had asked me initially, मैंने तो immediately बोला था कि नहीं, let's not even think about it. But later on, when the studio also said, let's try this, see if the logistics fit in terms of budget. So when we were considering it, he was already jumping. He was already excited at the prospect of doing that. So nowhere did it feel like it's a first-time director who's trying to he didn't have that issue at all.
तो आपको इतना कॉन्फिडेंस कैसे था कि आप फर्स्ट फिल्म में 3D में बना पाएंगे?
Honestly, I was not really confident.
अच्छा।
It was always things that I wanted to learn. 3D is something that I've always been inspired from a long time. So I've always wanted to learn it and I've got the perfect opportunity to learn and also craft something out of it. So I didn't want to let the opportunity go. And having said that, it was not really easy. It's extremely difficult.
And time consuming too?
Time consuming also. This is the only film, I mean, this is the fastest 3D film we shot.
शूटिंग कंप्लीट की आपने?
47 days.
Just 47 days. And this was at a stretch, start to finish? Yeah.
No.
Okay.
It was over a course of 6 months.
अच्छा, तो ये तरीका क्यों अपनाया? बिकॉज बजट का कंट्रोल था, इसलिए कि
There needs to be a lot of prep when you do a 3D shoot.
Okay.
So we needed that 6 months of prep to shoot for 47 days.
I think between him and the DOP, they were a good fit because for both of them, it was the first time they were experimenting with a format like that. And of course, they had a very cooperative cast because like he said, it's a time-consuming process. And the whole approach is different. Correct. It's not like shooting a normal film. So, and because I think all of them kind of working towards it, we were able to finish it in 47
record time.
जब हम थ्रिलर देखते हैं, जैसे अक्षय ने कहा और बिजॉय ने कहा कि जब हम एक ऐसी फिल्म देखते हैं, हॉरर होता है जिसमें थ्रिलर होता है और उसमें साउंड का जो एक माध्यम होता है वो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट होता है. तो जब हम उसको और ऐड करते हैं 3D डालकर, तो आई थिंक वो एक दैट एक्सपीरियंस कम्प्लीटली चेंजेस फॉर द ऑडियंस. सो आई थिंक दैट इज समथिंग व्हिच द ऑडियंस इज गोना लव अबाउट दिस फिल्म. और सो I was really kicked in about the fact and बहुत मज़ा आया मुझे शूट करने में. जैसे कहा कि टाइम कंज्यूमिंग था, लेकिन बिकॉज ये हमारे लिए नया था. इट्स लाइक समथिंग न्यू दैट यू आर गेटिंग टू एक्सप्लोर. एंड ऐसी चीज़ें जैसे अक्षय ने बताई कि ये हमें वी कांट लर्न इट एनीवेयर एल्स. यू हैव टू बी देयर to experience it in there and get the knowledge out of it.
And you learn as you go along.
Yes, absolutely.